As you strike me down here, I will become stronger than you'll ever know. Yet I never come back.
Ow, ow, ow.
You know how they always say you never bring a knife to a gunfight?
Hey, what about a lightsaber?
Well, if you ever go up against a Jedi with a lightsaber, and you have a gun, you're going to lose.
Okay, I'm dead now.
Yeah. Grab what? No?
Oh my god!